Along with the Attorney General, law enforcement across the state breathing a sigh of relief at the failure of State Question 820. News 9's Brittany Toulis talked with one Cleveland County official who says the medical marijuana industry's misdeeds may be to blame for this.
District Attorney Mashburn says he didn't expect such a blowout vote on Tuesday, but he thinks Oklahomans watching law enforcement and state officials struggle to keep the medical industry in check is the culprit.
Police and prosecutors celebrating that voters said no to 820 on Tuesday.
I thought it would be close, and so I was pleasantly surprised to see the margin.
Cleveland County's District Attorney Greg Mashburn, one of many on the enforcement side of the law, hoping State Question 820 would fail. He says they're still dealing with the side effects of making pot medically legal.
People think they're voting for one thing, and then they end up with a different outcome than what they thought they voted for.
The Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics confirming nearly half of the medical industry is under investigation for black market trading and fraudulent licenses.
You've seen law enforcement, OMMA, try to catch up to that and really dial it back in so that it's more close to what people thought they were voting for.
DA Mashburn adding that's where law enforcement are focusing when it comes to busting people for pot.
When that behavior affects other people and surroundings, so driving while you're high, that's when law enforcement starts getting involved. This huge population in our Department of Corrections that were simply smoking a joint and went to prison, that was just not the case.
There's 66 people in Oklahoma prisons for possession right now. Mashburn saying most likely not for cannabis. He says county courts are trying to combat the violence surrounding the cannabis industry.
You know, people try to equate this to alcohol, and we don't see anyone hurting anyone to get their Coors Light. But we see time and time again robberies, pistol whippings, guns being used.
While possessing pot isn't a felony, since State Question 820 failed, it still is a misdemeanor. In the newsroom, Brittany Toulis, Oklahoma's own News 9.